Using Afterpay for gas station purchases is a convenient and flexible way to pay for fuel. To get started, you will need to download the Afterpay app and create an account. Once you have an account, you can link a payment method such as a debit or credit card. Afterpay allows you to make purchases and pay for them in 4 interest-free installments, due every 2 weeks. When using Afterpay at a gas station, simply open the app and select the gas station as the merchant. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to spend and confirm the purchase. At the gas station, let the attendant know that you will be using Afterpay to pay for your fuel. They will then ring up the sale as they normally would, but instead of paying with cash or card, you will use the barcode provided in the Afterpay app to complete the transaction. It is essential to ensure that the gas station you are visiting accepts Afterpay as a payment method. You can do this by checking the Afterpay website or by contacting the gas station directly. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with using Afterpay, such as late fees if you miss a payment. To avoid any issues, make sure you have a sufficient balance on your linked payment method to cover the cost of the fuel and any associated fees. It is also crucial to keep track of your payments and due dates to avoid missing a payment. Using Afterpay at a gas station is a straightforward process that can help you manage your expenses and budget. By following these steps and being mindful of the terms and conditions, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that Afterpay offers.